Mercedes-Benz has taken a bold step into the future by integrating cutting-edge artificial intelligence into its latest creation. Want to have a conversation with your Mercedes-Benz? Get ready to be amazed as we unveil the Mercedes-Benz CHATGPT Powered CAR. Mercedes-Benz announced the integration of ChatGPT into their fleet of vehicles in a groundbreaking step that represents a significant advancement in the field of automotive technology. By utilizing artificial intelligence to provide a simple yet flexible voice control system, this integration introduces a better client experience. The announcement, which was issued about 2 weeks ago, describes Mercedes-Benz's intention to use Microsoft's Azure OpenAI service to integrate ChatGPT voice control into its automobiles. With an unparalleled level of connection between drivers and their vehicles, this integration is poised to revolutionize the driving experience. By incorporating ChatGPT into its current MBX, Mercedes-Benz User Experience Voice Assistant, Mercedes-Benz, recognized for its cutting-edge approach to premium vehicles, is expanding its usage of artificial intelligence. This activity aims to improve the user's relationship with their car by making it more user-friendly and receptive to orders given in natural language. By enabling drivers to utilize voice commands to operate many parts of their automobile, such as climate control, seat heating, ambient lighting, music systems, and navigation, the voice assistant, which can be accessed by saying, "Hey Mercedes," has already become an industry standard. This feature decreases driving distractions and encourages a safer driving environment. In an era characterized by rapid technological advancements, the automotive industry is undergoing a paradigm shift in its approach to in-car interaction. Mercedes-Benz, a name synonymous with luxury and innovation, has taken a pioneering step towards redefining the way drivers and passengers engage with their vehicles. The integration of ChatGPT, powered by OpenAI, into Mercedes-Benz's vehicles' voice control systems represents a monumental leap forward in the realm of automotive technology. At the heart of this integration lies the groundbreaking field of natural language processing, NLP. NLP is a subfield of artificial intelligence that empowers machines to comprehend, interpret, and generate human language. By leveraging the capabilities of ChatGPT, Mercedes-Benz is poised to create an advanced voice control system that transcends traditional command-based interfaces, enabling vehicles to engage in more natural, conversational, and contextually aware interactions with drivers and occupants. This integration is driven not only by the pursuit of technological innovation, but also by a profound commitment to enhancing safety on the road. Traditional interfaces often require drivers to divert their attention from the road to manipulate various buttons, switches, or touchscreens. This contributes to distracted driving, a concern that Mercedes-Benz aims to mitigate by introducing a more seamless and intuitive way for drivers to interact with their vehicles through voice commands. The incorporation of ChatGPT facilitates this transformation by allowing drivers to control an array of functions and services within the vehicle using voice alone, ultimately reducing distractions and promoting safer driving practices. The strategic approach adopted by Mercedes-Benz in introducing ChatGPT is characterized by its emphasis on user experience and continuous improvement. The integration will be initially rolled out through a beta program to over 900,000 vehicles in the United States. This phased approach enables Mercedes-Benz to gather invaluable user feedback, insights, and suggestions. By engaging with its customers directly, the company aims to refine and optimize the system based on real-world usage, ensuring that the integration is not just cutting-edge, but also tailored to meet the needs and preferences of its users. The implications of the ChatGPT integration extend far beyond mere convenience. They encompass a fundamental transformation in the nature of in-car interaction. Currently, Mercedes-Benz vehicles feature the Hey Mercedes voice assistant, which responds to specific command keywords related to functions such as climate control, navigation, and entertainment. The incorporation of ChatGPT elevates this interaction to a higher plane, empowering the voice assistant to engage in more complex, context-rich, and multi-turn conversations. Drivers can pose open-ended queries, seek clarifications, and converse naturally with the voice assistant, mirroring the dynamics of human-to-human conversations. Moreover, the integration introduces a remarkable human-like conversational dimension to the interaction. Traditional voice assistants are often restricted to pre-programmed responses, limiting the depth and scope of conversations. In contrast, ChatGPT, with its ability to generate text in a coherent and contextually relevant manner, endows the voice assistant with the capability to maintain fluid and engaging dialogues with users. This not only enhances the practical utility of the interface, but also bridges the gap between humans and machines, fostering a sense of connection and familiarity. Beyond the immediate immediate benefits of convenience and user engagement, Mercedes-Benz's integration of ChatGPT aligns with its broader vision of AI-driven mobility solutions. The company envisions a future where artificial intelligence powers advanced ride-hailing services, providing passengers with a sophisticated, intelligent, and seamless mode of transportation. This strategic vision is fortified by Mercedes-Benz's collaboration with Microsoft's Azure OpenAI service, which guarantees not only cutting-edge AI capabilities, but also the highest standards of data security, privacy, and reliability. Addressing concerns related to data security and privacy, Mercedes-Benz employs a meticulous approach. Voice command data collected during interactions with ChatGPT is anonymized and securely stored in the Mercedes-Benz Intelligent Cloud. This ensures that user identities remain protected while enabling the company to analyze the data for insights that can further enhance the user experience. The controlled cloud environment adds an additional layer of security, ensuring that potential risks are promptly detected and mitigated. The ChatGPT integration is emblematic of Mercedes-Benz's dedication to in-house software development. The creation of the MB.OS operating system underscores the company's commitment to delivering solutions that are specifically tailored to its customers' needs and preferences. This holistic approach fosters a cohesive and seamless digital experience, positioning the vehicle as the central hub of a user's connected life. As automotive technology continues to advance, Mercedes-Benz remains at the forefront, driving innovation from within. Safety remains a central concern in the automotive industry, and the integration of ChatGPT underscores Mercedes-Benz's commitment to safer driving practices. By enabling drivers to interact with their vehicles using voice commands, the company aims to reduce distractions and enhance on-road safety. Furthermore, the integration enhances the quality of responses by imbuing them with context and relevance. This not only contributes to a safer driving experience, but also augments user satisfaction. As Mercedes-Benz opens the door to a new era of in-car interaction through the ChatGPT integration, it also paves the way for a future filled with possibilities. The company envisions extending the integration to accommodate third-party services, allowing drivers to perform tasks that go beyond traditional in-car functions. This could range from making reservations at restaurants to purchasing tickets for entertainment events, effectively transforming the vehicle into a comprehensive service hub. Looking ahead, Mercedes-Benz's visionary approach positions it as a trailblazer in shaping the future of mobility. Its commitment to AI-driven advancements spans multiple facets of driving, from autonomous capabilities to predictive maintenance and personalized entertainment. The integration of ChatGPT is not just a technological milestone. It represents a profound shift in how we interact with our vehicles and sets the stage for a new era of automotive innovation. The adoption of ChatGPT by Mercedes-Benz cars represents a turning point in the auto industry's transition to AI-driven change. Mercedes is a leader in the luxury car market because of its commitment to developing cutting-edge solutions that put safety, user experience, and data privacy first. As the beta program unfolds and ChatGPT's capabilities continue to evolve, Mercedes-Benz is well-positioned to redefine the driving experience and set new industry standards for in-car AI technology. The partnership with Microsoft's Azure OpenAI service further reinforces the automaker's commitment to leveraging cutting-edge technologies to shape the future of mobility and redefine the relationship between drivers and their vehicles. Even while this connection is a big step forward, it's crucial to remember that ChatGPT's integration inside automobiles is presently only possible through voice interaction and control. Through this integration, the concept of AI-controlled vehicles, comparable to Tesla's autopilot, is not realized. The collaboration between Mercedes-Benz and NVIDIA, however, shows promise for the advancement of autonomous driving powered by AI. Mercedes-Benz strives to give customers a comfortable and secure driving experience by utilizing cutting-edge AI technology, progressively integrating AI into the driving ecosystem. Currently, ChatGPT is positioned to improve voice control for drivers, making interactions with automobiles more natural, interesting, and effective. This innovation demonstrates how AI's natural language processing capabilities can be combined with the automobile sector's goal of developing safer, more convenient driving conditions. It's not unrealistic to assume that, in the future, AI technologies like ChatGPT could play a more significant role in influencing how we interact with and use automobiles, given the ongoing developments in AI and its integration into several facets of daily life. Mercedes-Benz has made a significant advancement in AI-powered luxury vehicles, with the integration of ChatGPT's natural language processing into its voice control systems. The brand's dedication to innovation innovation and customer centricity is exemplified by this breakthrough, which offers a seamless and entertaining driving experience. Please share your opinions on these innovative concepts in the comments section as we observe the development of automobile technology. By embracing the merging of AI and luxury for an unmatched voyage ahead, join us in defining the future of driving. Take a moment to subscribe to our channel and enable the notifications. Goodbye.